One sunny morning, in the heart of Fruitland, 5 cheerful fruits gathered to put on a show for children everywhere. It was time for the fruit parade.
Hey friends! Did you love this video? Did you have fun? I hope so! If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can have fun too! And guess what? You can see more amazing stories and adventures when you subscribe to our channel, AI Creator Pro. Just click that little button right down there. Thank you so much for watching. You're awesome! See you next time. Bye-bye! Hello there, little one. I'm Apple, shiny and red. I keep your heart happy and your tummy fed. Crunch me at snack time and you'll feel so bright. I'm banana, bendy, and yellow. I'm soft, sweet, and full of energy for busy kiddos. I even wear a peel coat you can unzip. How fun is that? We are grapes! Purple, green, or red. We come in bunches. We're fun to nibble and make raisins when we sunbathe.
Did you know that some of the biggest faceless YouTube channels out there are making thousands of dollars every single month just by uploading cartoon animations for kids? And here's the kicker. They don't even create these animations themselves. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's 100% true. Now, if you've ever dreamed of starting a YouTube channel but thought, I don't have the animation skills, the time, or the budget for expensive software, then this video is exactly what you've been looking for. Because today, I'm going to show you how to create high-quality, trending kids cartoon animation videos using only free AI tools. No experience required, no cost, and no complicated software. Yup, AI will do everything for you. And the best part? Kids watch these videos again and again, which makes YouTube's algorithm push them to millions of views. That means huge potential for monetization. So, if you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel that actually earns money, stay with me till the very end of this video. Because by the time we're done, you'll be ready to create and publish your very first animated cartoon video today. But before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss future tutorials just like this one. And if this video helps you out, give it a like and drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. All right, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Create your story with ChatGPT. Every animation video starts with one thing, a story. But don't worry if you're not a writer. We'll use ChatGPT for that. ChatGPT by OpenAI is a powerful AI chatbot that can write engaging content from scratch. Articles, scripts, code, and yes, even kids' stories.
Hello, kids! Today, some special fruit friends want to introduce themselves to you. Let's meet them.
Hi, little friends. I'm Gigi the Grape. I may be small, but I come in big bunches. I'm super juicy and full of energy to keep you running and playing all day. Eat me to stay strong. Hello, everyone. I'm Milo the Mango, the king of sweetness. My golden flesh is soft, tasty, and packed with vitamins that help you grow big and strong. Want a tropical treat? That's me!
Wow.
Step 1. Generating the story with ChatGPT. First, we head over to ChatGPT and input a clear, creative prompt. Write a fun, imaginative story for children where 5 popular fruits introduce themselves in a joyful and engaging way. We hit enter and let the magic begin. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated an incredible story titled The Fruit Parade, a tasty adventure. The script includes a friendly narrator to set the scene at the beginning. Then, one by one, each fruit steps forward, starting with the apple, to tell children about themselves in a fun, charming voice. Exactly what we asked for. Step 2. Generating images of the characters. Next, we ask ChatGPT for prompts to generate visual illustrations of these fruity characters. These prompts will help us create high-quality, AI-generated images. We copy the prompts and move on to the image creation step using a fantastic tool called Leonardo.ai. Inside Leonardo.ai, we select the Phoenix 10 model, set the canvas ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube videos. Choose to generate 4 images at once. Paste in the prompt. Hit create. Within seconds, beautiful, vibrant images of our fruit characters appear. They're colorful, expressive, and ideal for capturing children's attention. We repeat this process for each fruit until we have all the images we need. Step 3. Converting images into video clips. With our fruit characters now visualized, it's time to animate them. We use an amazing and free tool called Pixverse.ai. Here's how it works. Click on the image upload section. Select one of our fruit images. Paste in a descriptive prompt to tell the tool how the fruit should move. Click Create. What's great about Pixverse.ai is that it delivers a complete animated video in less than a minute, sometimes in just a few seconds. Plus, you get 100 free credits per day, which is enough to create around 5 videos daily. Absolutely free. We repeat this process for each fruit and get beautifully animated clips, like the banana video, where the fruit moves naturally with fluid, child-friendly animations. It's a joy to watch. Step 4. Adding voiceovers with 11 Labs. Now that we have our animated clips, it's time to bring our characters to life with voices. We use 11 Labs, a powerful and free text-to-speech tool. After creating a free account, navigate to the text-to-speech section. Browse for a warm, friendly narrator voice to introduce the story. Paste the narrator's script from ChatGPT. Click Generate. The result? A crystal clear voice that perfectly fits the story's tone. We download it for use in our video. Then we select a different, more youthful voice for the fruits, one that sounds playful and childlike, and repeat the process for each fruit's dialogue. Each voiceover is high quality, expressive, and sounds like it came from a professionally produced cartoon. Step 5. Final video assembly with CapCut Now. We have everything. Beautiful AI-generated images, animated video clips, high-quality voiceovers. It's time to put it all together using CapCut, an intuitive and powerful editing tool perfect for creators. Pro tip: before you start editing, make sure to organize your assets. Rename each video, image, and audio file, e.g., Apple Clip, Narrator VO, Banana VO, etc., for easier editing. Inside CapCut, start with the narrator's introduction. Add each fruit's video along with its matching voiceover. Use creative transitions to keep it smooth and dynamic. Import background music from the YouTube audio library, a great source of free, child-friendly music. Choose playful, upbeat tracks that match the cheerful tone of your story, and layer them beneath the voiceover for an engaging audio experience. With everything in place, images, voices, animations, and music, you now have a professional, entertaining video that children will love and watch over and over. Final result: a complete story. Video for kids from concept to completion. Story written with ChatGPT images, generated with Leonardo.ai animations, created via Pixverse.ai voiceovers, produced using 11 Labs, edited and assembled in CapCut. All tools used are free and accessible, making this an amazing project for educators, parents, or content creators looking to make fun, educational content for kids. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next creative adventure.
One sunny morning, in the heart of Fruitland, 5 cheerful fruits gathered to put on a show for children everywhere. It was time for the fruit parade.
Hey friends! Did you love this video? Did you have fun? I hope so! If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can have fun too! And guess what? You can see more amazing stories and adventures when you subscribe to our channel, AI Creator Pro. Just click that little button right down there. Thank you so much for watching. You're awesome! See you next time. Bye-bye!